The Ultimate English Listening Guide. Levels A1-A2. Full script hello. Everyone and welcome back to English Path. This is a very special and long episode designed specifically for those who want to practice their listening for a longer time. My name is your host, and I am thrilled to have you here. If you are a beginner at level A1 or A2, this is the perfect place for you. We are going to cover many topics today: daily life, hobbies, travel, and even tips for staying positive while learning English. This episode is long, so please find a comfortable place, grab a cup of tea or coffee, and let's begin our journey into the English language. Let's start by talking about our daily lives. Every person has a routine. Some people are morning birds, which means they love the early hours of the day. They wake up at 5 or 6 a.m., watch the sunrise, and enjoy the silence. Others are night owls. They feel more energetic late at night. No matter what type of person you are, your routine is the foundation of your life. When you wake up, do you check your phone immediately? Many doctors suggest we should avoid our phones for the first 30 minutes. Instead, try to stretch your body, drink some water, and think about one thing you are grateful for. This simple habit can change your whole day. After the morning starts, we usually go to work or school. In English, we use many words to describe our tasks. If you have a lot of work, you can say, "My schedule is very tight today." If you are a student, you might say, "I am preparing for my exams." It is important to remember that everyone feels stressed sometimes. When you feel stressed at work or school, take a deep breath. Inhale for 4 seconds and exhale for 4 seconds. This helps your brain to calm down and focus. Now, let's move to our second big topic: hobbies. Why do we need hobbies? We need them because life is not just about work. Hobbies give us a chance to express ourselves. Let's talk about gardening, for example. Gardening is a very peaceful hobby. You touch the earth, you plant seeds, and you watch them grow. It teaches you patience. You cannot rush a flower to grow. It takes time. Learning English is very similar to gardening. You plant the words in your mind, you water them with practice, and slowly you start to speak fluently. What about photography? In the age of smartphones, everyone is a photographer. We take photos of our food, our friends, and beautiful places. Photography helps us to see the beauty in small things. A simple drop of rain on a leaf can look like a diamond through a camera lens. If you like photography, try to describe your photos in English. For example, say, "This is a photo of a mountain during sunset. The colors are orange and purple." This is a great way to practice your adjectives. Let's expand our conversation to traveling. Traveling is the best way to open your mind. When you visit a new country, you see different cultures, you taste different foods, and you hear different languages. Imagine you are in a small cafe in Italy. You smell the fresh pasta and hear the people talking loudly and happily. You want to order something, so you use your English. You say, "Excuse me, may I have a menu, please?" Even in countries where English is not the first language, it is often used as a bridge between people. This is why English is so powerful. It connects the whole world. When you travel, you also have to deal with challenges. Sometimes your flight is delayed, or you get lost in a city. But don't worry. These challenges make great stories. If you get lost, you can practice asking for directions. You can say, "Excuse me, I am looking for the museum. Could you tell me the way? Most people are happy to help. And remember, when you travel, the journey is just as important as the destination. Enjoy the view from the window, talk to the person sitting next to you, and try to learn a few words in the local language. Now, let's talk about a very important subject: health and wellness. To be a good learner, you must have a healthy body. We already talked about sleep and water, but what about food? Eating a balanced diet means eating different types of food. You need proteins, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Try to eat more green vegetables like spinach and broccoli. They are full of vitamins that help your brain stay sharp. Also, try to reduce sugar. Too much sugar makes you feel tired after a short time. Mental health is just as important as physical health. In our busy world, we often forget to rest our minds. Meditation is a great way to find peace. You don't need to be an expert. Just sit quietly for 5 minutes and focus on your breathing. If a thought comes into your mind, let it go like a cloud in the sky. This practice helps you stay calm when you are speaking English and you forget a word. Instead of panicking, you will stay calm and find another way to say what you mean. Let's talk about the process of learning. Many students ask, how can I learn English faster? The answer is simple but not easy: consistency. Doing a little bit every day is better than doing a lot once a week. Imagine you are building a wall. If you put 1 brick every day, after a year, you have a strong wall. If you try to put 100 bricks in one day and then stop for a month, the wall will not be stable. Listen to this podcast every day. Read 1 page of a book, or write 3 sentences in your journal. These small steps lead to big results. Now, let's focus on some advanced but simple vocabulary for levels A1 and A2. 1. Opportunity. This means a chance to do something. For example, learning English is a great opportunity for my career. 2. Adventure. An exciting experience. Traveling to a new country is a big adventure. 3. Environment. The world around us. We must protect our environment. 4. Improve. To make something better. I want to improve my speaking skills. 5. Relaxed. Feeling calm and not worried. After a hot bath, I feel very relaxed. It's time for our long listening challenge. I will tell you a short story, and I want you to listen to the details. Once upon a time, there was a man named Omar. Omar lived in a small village, but he dreamed of seeing the big city. One day, he packed his suitcase and took the train. The city was very noisy and crowded, but Omar loved it. He visited the library, walked in the big park, and ate at a famous restaurant. He realized that the world is much bigger than his village. He went back home feeling very happy and inspired. Did you understand Omar's story? He was a simple man with a big dream. We are all like Omar. We want to see more, learn more, and be more. And English is the tool that helps us do that. As we come to the end of this long episode, I want to say thank you. Thank you for your time, your attention, and your hard work. Learning a language is a long road, but you are not alone. We are walking this road together. Every time you listen to a podcast, every time you learn a new word, you are winning. Before we finish, here is your final task. In the comments, I want you to write a long paragraph. Tell me about your dream. Where do you want to go? What do you want to achieve? Don't worry about grammar. Just write from your heart. I will be back with another episode very soon. Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember that you are doing a great job. This is English Path, your friend in language learning. Goodbye for now, and take care of yourself.